Welcome to Thunder Hypnosis, deep healing in the heart of the storm. Find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Headphones are suggested. Allow yourself to get comfortable, closing your eyes. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow yourself to begin to soften. Another deep breath in. And as you release, feel your body sinking into stillness. Feel yourself heavy, sinking down like wet soil welcoming the rain. Let go. You are safe here. You are protected. Hearing the distant thunder as it rolls across the sky. Awakening something ancient inside of you. With each breath, allow the sound of the storm to guide you inward. The rhythmic pulse of the rain. The deep roar of the thunder. The electric stillness between the lightning. All of this becomes part of your trance. Feeling your body becoming heavier and heavier. Grounded, deeply connected to the earth. And now, on your next breath, imagine roots extending from your spine, down through your legs, deep into the earth, anchoring you. Allow yourself to be secured by the very bones of the planet. As overhead, the storm brews. The air is thick with electricity, charged with cleansing. The thunder is not chaotic or aggressive. It's intelligent, intentional. It breaks apart everything you are ready to release now. With your mind's eye, visualize yourself standing barefoot in an open field beneath the storm. The sky is dark yet alive, and you can feel the wind brushing your skin, enveloping and curling around you like the breath of spirit. Let the rain begin to fall upon your shoulders, gentle but steady, as it seeps into your energy field, cleansing, removing, and clearing old pain, shame, self-doubt, even trauma. each drop pulls something from you. The storm doesn't judge what you've carried. It simply knows it's time to let go. Hear the thunder getting closer and closer. A deep, resonant crack that echoes through your chest, through your soul. Allow it to shake loose the chains wrapped around your heart, your mind. Let it break open what's been locked away for too long. Allow the storm now to do what it came to do. You do not need to control it. You only need to receive. As the storm reaches its peak, feel yourself becoming lighter, transforming. The heaviness has dissolved into the rain-soaked earth beneath you. Above your head, a single flash of lightning illuminates the sky. And in that flash, you see yourself clear, radiant, free. As the storm begins to pass, in its wake, stillness, peace. Allowing now a calm so deep it echoes in your bones. Breathe it in. You have been cleared. Recalibrated. Reset. Let this stillness sink in. Vibrating, aligning, and feeling comfortable in your new frequency. Entering into a place of power, clarity, and presence. And as the last raindrops fall, the thunder fading into the distance, bring your awareness slowly back, bringing back the healing, the clarity, along with the strength of the storm. Wiggle your fingers, Wiggle your toes, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling empowered yet aligned. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. If you would like to go deeper into healing, contact me at oceanhypnosis.net. Enjoy this triumphant healing and clearing.